Africa ESG ShipOwner 581. Everybody is really watching what's going on with the rest of the planet. But dear ship owner, African ship owner, are we interested in training future Africa maritime transport team, future Africa managing directors, fleet managers, CEOs, superintendents, consultants, inspectors? Are we interested in training survival, firefighting, basic training, all in one course, 400 euros or dollars, 3 days, like Latvia does, Noviconta's #1 training facility in the planet? Or are we going to copy disaster in Spain, 3 different courses, 1,700 euros, 3 different queues, 3 different applications? Well, it's just like amazing. About the training systems also, are we going to have a rating to officer, a straight path, like Philippines, Ukraine, many countries in this planet, India, so that we have ratings to go all the way up to captain, chief engineer. Then that way we can generate huge employment, huge motivation, promotion. Is this environmentally, social, governance measure? Of course it is. People in Europe don't calculate how much revenue, intrinsic value just one seafarer, 20,000 euros or dollars, per year brings to Nigeria, Morocco, Egypt. Just 120,000 equals 11. When they are going to close Nissan factory in Barcelona during COVID, they mentioned, well, one job equals 10 indirect. Yes, of course, one seafarer equals 11. They don't want to calculate like this in Europe. But can Africa ship owner calculate like that to have future guaranteed intrinsic value, ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparency, and this is goodwill for a good company long term? Then think about Candina, because we are already in Casablanca since 1994, and the Moroccan authorities did help huge for selection and placement, and also all the different papers, facilities for training. But I'm sure that the rest of the Africa countries also are very interested in promoting the maritime companies, because it is surrounded by the Indian and the Atlantic and the Mediterranean oceans. So we have huge long-term possibility to develop business. Think about Candina. We can do it. Any LNG, offshore, tanker, bulk carrier, all types of ships. Contact us, because sometimes you do pay too much and other times you don't pay attention to the goodwill. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Thank you. Bye.